Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Janet. In this video we'll discuss about like how you can create ads on Facebook. So we have the two ways to run ads on the Facebook. The first one is we can run ads from the Facebook Ads Manager. Just we have to type in the Google Facebook Ads Manager. Once you will type the Facebook Ads Manager, the page will be reflected here. Just click on the Ads Manager. So click on the Go to Ads Manager. So this will be the Ads Manager, from that we can run the ads. Now the second option is also there. That one is the Meta Business Suite. You have to just type in the Google Meta Business Suite. So click on this link. So from this you can also run the Facebook ads. In the Meta Business Suite, just you have to go to the ads section. In the ads section, you will see all the ads that you have done before. All the ads is there that you have done before. And in the case, just you click on the all ads, so your all ads will be reflected. And from the create ad button, you can just create the new ads. So in this way, we can create ads on the Facebook in two ways, from the Meta Business Suite and from the Ads Manager. So the creation of the ad part we will discuss in the future video, like how we can create ad on Meta Business Suite and on Ads Manager. That will be the separate video series on both. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Just for accessing these particular two tools, you have to type in the Google Meta Business Suite and another tab that are Facebook Ads Manager. And the Meta Business Suite, the full access will be on your head. In the limited access will be on Meta Business Suite, but full access will be on Ads Manager. So thank you for watching this video. In further video, we'll discuss about the difference between Meta Business Suite and the Facebook Ads Manager.